The next thing we're going to talk about is our Google Calendar. If we are meeting virtually, and especially with our Zoom class meetings that we're going to be doing every week, we're going to be using our Google Calendar every week, almost every day. So I want to make sure that you guys know how to use it properly. This is an example of what a Zoom link looks like. It'll have the date and the information on here. It'll have the Zoom link as well. And you can also see the information down here. You can put view on Google Calendar, or I've already accepted this one. You can see yes, maybe, and no. You always want to click yes. Anytime I send you any kind of Zoom invite, please go ahead and click yes. Even if you're not going to attend, maybe you have a vacation or you're going to be sick or something like that, please always click yes and then shoot me an email and tell me if you're not going to attend something, and then we'll work it out. All right, so from this, if you click yes, it will automatically go to your Google Calendar, but let me show you how to get to your calendar. Here at the very top, we have a plus sign. We can open up a new tab. Now we have our Google Suite right over here. Google Suite is the name of all the different Google apps that kind of talk to each other. So your Gmail and these apps right here will talk to each other. We want to find the calendar. We'll click on the calendar. And this is our Google Calendar. It already has some holidays and birthdays and stuff on it. But as we continue to work in our school this year, you will see your Zoom links pop up. I want you to go ahead right now. This is your task, is to bookmark your Google Calendar. We're going to hit that star, add bookmark, and we're going to name this School Calendar. And we're going to put it right there on the bookmarks bar. Done. So now we have our Gmail and our school calendar already on our bookmarks bar. The best way to look at your calendar, I would recommend looking at it by the week. It's a lot easier to see what classes you have that week if you're only looking at it by the week instead of the full month. As you can see, his calendar is completely clean right now, but that's because we're not in school right now. Once school starts, his calendar will start to fill up with different classes, maybe live classes, maybe in-person co-ops, and different activities that I want him to be aware of. So calendar is a big deal. Please make sure you have that bookmarked and that you understand how to create that. I hope that is helpful.